Hello everybody, my name is Caity and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? How you doing? So today I'm going to be showing you guys the process of how I go from this to this. So yeah, if you guys would like to know how to achieve this look and transform yourself as a pale person, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I always start off with makeup first for whatever reason, and then I do hair. This is my natural hair, by the way. It's very crazy. It's very frizzy. I've done a lot of damage to it because I've literally been straightening it for almost a decade now, which is crazy. So, but I am gonna put it up because it is a little crazy. And we're gonna get started with the makeup. I apologize in advance, I have a really big forehead. Alright, so first I'm gonna be starting off with the AUSTRALIS makeup finishing spritz, and I'm just gonna be spraying this all over my face. Alrighty, so for foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in F1, which is the lightest shade you can get, and I'm going to be putting this all over my face and buffing it in with a beauty blender. Alrighty, and for concealer, I'm gonna be taking the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define concealer in CO5. And I'm just gonna be applying this to my forehead, my under eyes, and my chin. I look crazy. And I'm just gonna be buffing this out with the same beauty blender that we used before. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna be taking the L'Oreal True Match Minerals Mattifying Powder. That is the hardest thing to say ever. I probably shouldn't be wearing white. Like, I probably look like a ghost, but...
Hello. I'm editing. I've got treatment in my hair right now, so don't judge me. I just realized that this entire video I am trying way too hard. I'm gonna add a little of my personality into it because this video is dry as fuck. I don't like this video. I hate the makeup. I hate how I change the lighting every 30 seconds. But like, whatever, content, right? I just wanted to say also, it's not okay that you're wearing all white and there's an all white background. You look disgusting. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Bye.
This is all a part of the catfishing process. Okay, so for brows, I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer, and I'm just gonna be putting this on my brows. And I'm just gonna be carving out my brows with that same concealer just to give them more shape and definition. Alrighty, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here and just putting that in my crease. So to deepen up this eye look, I just took this shade and just put them on the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm gonna probably be taking this one, maybe, and just putting it on my lid. And I'm just doing this using my finger. And I'm just taking that same shade that I used for my transition shade and putting that on my lower lash line. Okay, so to contour my face, I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm just going to be using the lightest contour shade that there is because I'm pale. And for blush, I'm going to be taking the NARS Blush in Orgasm, and I'm just going to be putting this on my cheeks. And I'm just going to be spritzing my face again to prep for highlighter. And I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm just going to be taking the shade Moonstone as always. And I'm just going to be putting this on the highest points of my face. So I'm just going to be putting on some lip gloss for now. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Fussy, and I'm going to be putting this all over my lips. And for mascara, as always, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And I only put mascara on my top eyelashes. And for gloss, I'm going to be taking the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my hair off camera and then I'll be back with the final look. Alright, so my hair is done and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!